How to change your date and time on your Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your date and time on your Android device phone. Scroll down the notification bar and on the top right of your screen you can find the settings icon. Tap on it and you'll be headed to settings, and as you scroll down you can find the system options. Select the option and now tap on the date and time option that you can find on your screen. Now here you can either select your time to 24-hour time to 12-hour time. Now to set your date and time, you can either set it automatically by tapping on the enable option. If you want to change your date and time manually, you can disable it, and you can set date by tapping on the set date option and selecting your date, and set your time similarly, and you can set your time zone according to your desire as per your need. Hope you like the video. Like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comment below if you have any further issues.